Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the start of a brand new series here on my channel featuring the new Zodiac nail vault from Butter London. This set includes 12 full-size polishes from their Pat and Shine 10X nail lacquer line, one for each of the 12 Zodiac signs, plus 2 full-size nail treatments, the Hardware Shine UV top coat and the Jelly Preserve strengthening treatment in Strawberry Rhubarb. The plan for this series is to have a new nail art video for each Zodiac season featuring the corresponding shade, and I'll put them all together in one playlist. Today, I'll be swatching the 12 nail lacquers and talking about the descriptions they provided for each Zodiac sign. If you want to see the swatches of the jelly treatment, I'll leave a link in the card above and in the description box below. And as always, these polishes are all vegan, cruelty-free, and tan-free. And since it's Libra season, that's where we're going to start off this video, so let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. Libra's shade is Piece of Cake, and it says, "Suave and smooth, this air sign gets along with everybody and won't miss out on a social gathering. You are all about balance, and a harmonious shade of soft dusty pink cream will calm your thoughts." Wicked is the shade for Scorpio, and it says, "Born leaders, you are passionate and assertive. Determined truth seekers, Scorpios need an intense hue that won't quit. Go for a sultry, deep vampy red cream." The shade for Sagittarius is BROLLY, and it says, "Free-spirited Sagittarius is open-minded with a great sense of humor and ready to take on the world. Bring this uplifting, smoky navy blue cream on all your travels. It's a great conversation starter." Earl Grey is Capricorn's shade, and it says, "Practical and responsible, your independence enables you to take significant strides towards your future. Traditional with a sense of maturity, this almost black cream is the perfect shade for a Capricorn." For Aquarius, the shade is London Fog, and it says, "For the eccentric and energetic Aquarius, treat yourself to a mani in a soft, stormy blue cream. This calming pastel blue is reminiscent of a cloudy day that will give this air sign balance." English Lavender is the shade for Pisces, and it says, "Gentle and selfless, this water sign is the dedicated best friend and partner everybody wants and needs in their life. The imaginative Pisces will bring out their creative side with a romantic, soft lavender cream." Aries' shade is Her Majesty's Red, and it says, "Aries are ambitious, courageous, and determined. This hot-headed fire sign needs a true red cream that helps them take action." Taurus's shade is Coming Up Roses, and it says, "The Taurus enjoys being surrounded by love and beauty. Your commitment to others is what makes this earth sign a devoted lover and friend. Your shade is a cool rose cream that highlights your beautiful demeanor." Gemini's shade is Yellow Submarine, and it says, talkative and animated, but also very serious and thoughtful. This air sign can view things from all sides. For Geminis, we recommend a warm, bright yellow that is both strong and soft at the same time. Cancer's shade is Cotton Buds, and it says, you take others' feelings into consideration, making you loyal and reliable. Your associated color is an opaque white cream that embodies your nurturing and resilient side. The shade for Leo is Ace, and it says, dramatic and dominant, Leos are impossible to miss. Self-confidence and strength embody your king or queen of the jungle status. Your mani should be a vibrant orchid cream that roars with royalty. And finally, the shade for Virgo is called Steady On, and it says, paying attention to the details makes Virgos one of the most careful signs. Combined with your hardworking nature, success is a given. To soothe your spirit, book an appointment with this earthy, cool nude cream. So those are the swatches of all 12 polishes from each zodiac sign. If you're interested in this zodiac nail vault, I'll leave a link below as well as a link to the playlist that I'll be updating with some fun nail art looks. And since there's only a few days left of Libra season, I'll be posting a nail look featuring Libra's shade, Piece of Cake, in the next day or two, so be sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss out on that video. And let me know in the comments below if you think your shade matches your zodiac sign and why. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!